So the last time I used the dozer, we were trying to move that tree, and it had a couple of big trees across it, and the dozer just couldn't do it. And then when it tweaked it backwards at the very end, and the engine started running backwards, we shut it down right away. So we're going to get back to trying to move that tree. We're going to get in there with the chainsaw, cut that tree so it's not a giant tree moving. So it's like just the big stump I'm going to try and move.
I wouldn't go anymore. Scott! You're gonna put yourself in a hole. Yeah.
So we did come in and cut this tree so that we could push that stump. That's why I was able to move, because before it was that tree had that tree on top of it, and then there was another tree from over there that was across the top of it too, which we cut off. So that made it where the dozer could push. That's still a big tree. That thing is at least 3 foot in diameter down there. It's still probably 26, 28 inches down here. That's an oak. I'm going to pause it and count the rings. I'm going to guess it's probably about 80 years old. But you could count. So we had very significant rains last night, and I can see where the water was definitely flowing over there where we want it. I knew it was going to cut that down a lot deeper. So I didn't have to dig it very deep. The water will eventually make its own path there, which it's doing. That's perfect. That's exactly what we wanted it to do. I have a little bit of water that was coming down the driveway here. I'll turn back around in a second and see where that was coming from, but I think that's just water from the driveway, but then it's going to the exit, so it is cutting across. That's good. It's a ½ inch deep. And the rest of this looks great. So the driveway has survived 3 really good rainstorms since we've redone it. The only reason it needs to be box bladed is really because of these washboarding things that we're getting. But the overall drainage is doing great. Just a tiny little bit at that very top on that hill in the corner, and we're going to get in there and fix it now. This is going to be a cold morning start here. This is about a week later. We're going to do some more work on the driveway, working on getting the crown a little bit better up on the curve at the top of the hill. I'm gonna let it turn over without the fuel on for a little bit, just to build up some heat. water's gonna go right over into that. That's gonna be perfect.
Nothing major.
You can see that white smoke rising up the holler through the trees. And from a mile away, you can hear them play as they climb that hill with ease. But at the top of that mountain, there's a new life waiting for those who can make the run. If they can make it to the top, Scott will put them in the shop till their new life has begun. Mountain, where the buses come to run. Bus Grease Mountain, we're gonna get that big job done.